Hello, hello. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to use our Floriani software when you're making your own custom patch for the embroidery machine. So let's get right into it.
To use Floriani and manually digitize your pattern, we are going to want a cartoon or graphic with distinct color blockings and hard lines. We don't want gradients or very high detail. We're going to take our cartoon and we're going to digitize it in Illustrator. So let's find our cartoon. I found this Husky football helmet. Go Dogs. I'm going to save this as helmet. Save. Okay, and now we will open it in Illustrator. So new file. And then I'm going to place it off of the page. So we're going to go File, Place, select that helmet, and then just click and drag to make it the size you want. Great. Now to digitize it, we are going to image trace it. So down here in the quick actions on the property side, there's image trace, or if that's not there, we can go to Object, Image Trace, Make. Okay, so that's the default. If we just wanted a black and white patch, this would be the default. But I want colors, so we're going to go 3 colors. 3 colors is not enough, it's leaving out the black. I'm going to click this button on the right. Now I can put in the exact amount of colors I want. So there we go. That's the design I want. This is good. But as you can see, there is imperfections. I don't want that for my patch, so we're going to expand and ungroup. And so now I can get rid of this background. Get rid of the background and fix up all of the imperfections. So for these ones, I can just delete them. But these ones, I'm going to make them black. And so I can select both of them by pressing Shift, and then I can click the eyedropper tool and click the black. And so now these are also black. But because they're not part of the main face mask shape, so what I need to do is also press Shift and select the face mask. So now I can go over here to Pathfinder and Unite. So now this is just one shape. That's important because otherwise it would go into each one of these shapes. If I just made this black, it would do all the rest of this black and then come and do this little piece, and I don't want that. I want it to do everything together. Now what I'm doing, I am getting rid of those little points, clean it up even more. So I'm going to fix this, go really speedy in a little montage.
Previously on X-Men.
All right, now it's cleaned up as much as I want it to be. So now we're good. We're going to save this as an SVG. So save as SVG helmet.svg. We're going to put it in. Yeah, it's in downloads. Cool. Okay. Now we'll open up Floriani. So there's Floriani. We're going to go create new design. First thing we're going to do is we're going to select a hoop. So 100 by 100 is the one I like to use. We have all of our other ones on here. But if you can't find it for some reason, you can go new and then put in your own custom. So 100 by 100. Going to go import vector art. Go to downloads. There we are. Boom. Now we're going to fit it to the hoop with this one. And select and resize a bit. Alright, cool. Now, with it selected, we're going to hit the standard fill button. Okay, there we are. It is filled. Let's hit the 3D button. Now, that's what our patch is going to look like. Pretty cool. But I don't like this jumbly mess up here, so I'm going to select it all and hit the color sort. There we go. So it's going to do the purple first. Here, we can look in the sequence view. Purple first, then the gold, then the stripe of the purple, the white, then the black, then more purple. I actually think I want the black first. So we're cool with this. We're going to go File, Save As. I'm going to save it to the downloads again. And then we're going to call this Helmet 1. We're going to save it as a Baby Lock / Brother Multi-Needle PSV9. That's what we want. Save. Boom. Now we can have our awesome patch. It's going to be so cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see me do more work on Floriani, stick around. Catch me in the next one. See ya.